Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, survivors. In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 with friends. We'll cover everything from creating your own game lobby to inviting your buddies and diving into the action. Whether you prefer battling hordes in campaign or competing in versus, this guide will help you get started. It's a straightforward process, ensuring you and your team can quickly unite against the infected. Let's get your co-op zombie-slaying adventure underway. To begin, launch Left 4 Dead 2 and navigate to the main menu. First, pick your preferred game mode, such as campaign or versus. Then, click on Play with Friends to open the lobby creation screen. Here, you can customize important settings like the specific campaign, the difficulty level, and the server type. For a private game, ensure you select local server to host the match directly from your computer, giving you full control. Once your lobby is set up, it's time to bring in your friends. Make sure your Steam in-game overlay is enabled. This is crucial for sending invitations. Inside your lobby, you'll find an Invite Friends button. Clicking this will open your Steam friends list, allowing you to send direct invites. Your friends can then accept these invites through their Steam client. Remember, having the same game version is essential for everyone to connect without issues. Left 4 Dead 2 boasts several exciting game modes for you and your friends. The primary cooperative mode is Campaign, where up to 4 players fight through 5 expansive campaigns. For competitive action, Versus mode pits 4 survivors against 4 player-controlled Special Infected. Scavenge mode also features 8 players, focusing on collecting gas cans. Once all your friends have joined the lobby and are ready, simply hit Start Game to dive into the zombie apocalypse together. Enjoy the chaos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.